guys, welcome to another episode of the TedBros YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crack a coconut. The tools you're going to need to do this is a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. So in order to get this thing started, you need to put the flathead in one of these 3 crevices. But you got to make sure that you get the triangle part started first and not the bottom. Put the flathead screwdriver between one of these crevices. You just hammer it in, and you use your leverage. You just push down, push it outward. Maybe get some popping going. You got to get a hole started, and just keep making that same pattern. Keep working your way down the side. So once you get one of these little pieces of shred off, it makes it a lot easier to get the rest of the coconut. So you just get your flathead, drive it underneath it, and you pull up. Oh, it's tough. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I just made some progress. I just got this piece. Oh. Look at that. Big one. Okay, I broke through all the husk, and now I'm getting all the hairs out to make it look good. So this is what the coconut looks like. Some people think that it's a lot smaller than they thought it would be. This is pretty average size. So, the easiest way to crack this, I think, is you find the 2 eyes in the mouth. See, 2 eyes in the mouth. And you find the line that goes over the skull. Looks like a straight line back. So you have to take the hammer and you hit it right on that line, and it should split somewhat in half. Doesn't always, but we're gonna try it. And Owen likes to drink this inside, so
yes I do.
Okay, so let's do it. Oh, cracked. Oh, there it comes.
Juice is coming out.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of water in this little coconut. So now that's what it looks like. So this is what the coconut water looks like. It's not clear, but it's got something to it. So once you get it out, you're gonna see some little pieces of dirt and stuff inside of it. So you just want to get a small strainer and pour the water inside the strainer and get all that stuff out before you drink it. But it should be fine. I broke up the coconut some more to make it a little easier to get the white part out, and as you can see, it's really hard to get that white part out in a big chunk. You just want it to pop out. So we figured out that if you put the coconut in a hot oven for like 10 minutes and take it out, it's cool to the touch, that makes it a lot easier to just pop the thing out. So now I'm going to put them in. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. So, what you do is you take your butter knife and you get it up underneath the white part. You just kind of work your way down. And your goal is to pop out the whole thing. You don't want tiny little chunks. So you want to get the whole thing out. Whoop! That one fell. Okay. So that's what you don't want to do. There we go. That's not a bad piece. Ooh. So, once you... Oh! Look at that. That's a good one. So, yes, so the brown part is edible, but if you do not want to eat it, you can just peel it off with like a potato peeler or a knife or whatever. So, yeah. Oh, wow. I'm done. That is a lot faster than just doing it before you put it in the oven. It really helps a lot. Cool.
That's some good teamwork right there.
And when it gets too small, pop it in. She's working really well. My dad likes to put this in a shake, so that's a good place to put it too. So we used a cheese grater to grate up the coconut. We did some small and some big, and now we're going to toast it. We spread it out on this pan, and we're going to toast it for 7 minutes at 350. But we got to be careful when you do this because it'll burn really quickly, especially if it's small. So you just got to really watch it. Just need to stir it around a little bit. It's almost done. It's nice and golden. Just put it back. I think it's done. That looks good. Well, there you have it. That is baked shredded coconut, and let's try it out. Oh, that's good. Come try some bacon.
May I try some? It's pretty good.
Yes.
Whew, that's hot, but it's good.
Really? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and click subscribe. We'll see you next time.